Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mahi and Ruhi Creativity. Today in this video, I will be making an easy Independence Day painting using watercolors and pencils. To begin the painting, I will start by sketching out the monuments like Qutub Minar, India Gate and Taj Mahal. Do you know why I chose to draw Qutub Minar? Because it is a historical monument and is also known as the Victory Tower. I chose India Gate because it has the largest war memorial in India. The third monument I will be making is Taj Mahal. It is a very beautiful monument and one of the 7 wonders of the world. And did you know Taj Mahal is 390 years old and still shining brightly? Wow, that's an amazing fact. I want to give the monuments a shadow look, so I will color it with black. And it looked like this. At the top, I will make the Ashok Chakra. The pencil color part is now done. Now let's start with watercolor. I will give the background look of flag colors: orange, white in the middle and green. The watercolor has made the black color a bit lighter, so I will go over it with black sketch pen. Give it a final look. A final look will give it a bright, clean and better look. As this is an Independence Day drawing, I will write Happy Independence Day in a different font and give it a shadow look using light and dark colors. It did not look very exciting, so I thought of adding colorful balloons near the monuments and an aircraft and helicopter on the top side. And it finally looked like this. I am very happy with the final look. I hope you love this drawing. To see more drawings and paintings, subscribe my channel and give a like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.